All right, guys, so I'm hoping the wind behaves. Can you hear the wind chimes? Those are really pretty. So I like them. It's part of the ambiance. But Precious here from Life 101 Way Ticket, and as you guys know, if you follow us on Instagram, we are preparing to leave again, and I have learned so much since the last time we've left. Let's just jump right into the first thing before more distractions. Oh, and we're having a 4th of July family barbecue, so we're gonna get through this. This toiletry bag. First of all, it's elephants. Like, who doesn't love the pattern? Not only that, but it is waterproof, so perfect for the bathroom, right? But not only that, there's no Velcro, so it looks like it's just gonna be like a makeup bag, right? That's what it looks like. Well, no, people, I had no idea I needed this in my life. So you basically unzip. Now remember, I said that an important part of a toiletry bag is having the hook at the top, because you want to be able to hook it on the towel rack or near the shower or whatever. So if you're in a situation where the floor, the bathroom, or the sink, or maybe there is no sink, you know, you have the option to hang and hook options. And that's what you want to give yourself, right? So this one, let me flip it this way. When you open it, so it zippers all the way around, which makes it super secure. So when it zips up, like, I'm not worried about anything coming out. And then when you open it, it's like, oh, okay. No, it's like more than okay, you guys. There's a hook at the top, super sturdy. I like that we can use this little area for like our contact lenses or eye drops or like anything like that. Then there is an actual zipper back here, and I put like my hair ties and like lady products in there and a few Q-tips here, like travel hair thing, like, you know, hair gel if we need it, if I decide to be girly for like a moment. 2 lip stains. But and then this part is the zipper pouch, and so this part also zippers, and it's amazing, and it's just great. I still have to organize this. That's why everything is like not in the little, you know, what's this called? Elastic part. But I'm gonna show you why this is not organized yet, because there's something that's going in here, but I need to show you guys first. But yeah, it'll be all, and I like that it's just all secure. And so that when I close it, I just close that, this, close that, and it zippers all the way through. There are so many different patterns that you can choose from, but of course, alas, I chose elephants, and it was blue. It's perfecto. So I love, love, love this toiletry bag. So definitely my must-have. Okay, so since we're on the topic of toiletry bags, let's talk about shampoos and conditioners and things like that. No, I'm not here to tell you what kind, do what you want. I'm going to tell you something that I thought of and I love it, and I'm just going to share it with you guys. So, Listerine bottles. Literally the best thing. So I like the Listerine bottles because they're child proof, so I never have to worry about anything spilling out. We had other ones that were like that silicone material, which I loved. I love the material. I love them. I love that you can squeeze it out. Beautiful. But for a toiletry bag, when you're traveling, and sometimes you don't know if your bag might have to get checked, or if they're gonna throw it or toss it or whatever the case is. So having these Listerine bottles and removing the label, you can sit it in alcohol and the label will come right off. I just took a permanent marker. Let's see if I can, and I just wrote what's inside, and it's the perfect size, so you don't even have to worry about measuring out like for TSA and all that jazz. But all right, and number 3 are expandable slippers. So I didn't realize how much I needed these until we were on the flight coming back from Thailand. No, coming back from Spain. My was it going to Spain? I don't know. It was either coming or going from Spain. My legs blew up so much on the plane that my feet could barely fit in my sneakers. And so I was walking once we got off the flight and my feet were just so much pain. They're going to be great for travel, great for the plane, and also you can slip your feet in and out of them. So when you're on the plane, you can take your feet out if you have your socks on. But expandable slippers. Hi! I couldn't help it. Like, I could just feel his smile, you know? All right, so we're gonna talk about something specifically for the ladies, but you guys can use it too. I mean, there is no shame in anyone's game. But I was talking to my best friend. He told me about this company called Honey Pot. The story of Honey Pot is absolutely amazing. I'll put their website down below, but you can just go to type in Honey Pot. And again, I found it at Target. This one is the Bergamot Rose, and it's a foaming wash. Can you see? That is the newer scent that they have, and then this is the other one, Sensitive. But it smells so good. Can you guys see that? There we go. Lavender, calendula, and vinegar. The reason why I was surprised is because I love rose smelling things, but this was amazing. Love these. And these are just like sprucing up wipes, so you don't have to use them every time you go to the bathroom. You just shake, pump, and wash, and you use your hand. So I love this. All right, so we got two more things, and the last two things are actually geared towards Superman. So Manscaped. Oh my gosh, ladies, get your man Manscaped. It is amazing, and not only is it amazing for them, but I like using it too.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I was even see it works too. My bad. It's bad.
Come sit with me. They haven't seen you yet. There he is. I love when he joins me. Okay, so Superman.
Got nothing on my chest, nothing.
Yeah, he's so bare. Let's see if we can.
I feel my bad. But
huh?
yeah, look.
Look how bare. Oh yeah, you can do it. It's so easy. And there's a light on there too, so he can easily see. Like, oh my gosh, it's so smooth. Thank you. Aww. Well, it's amazing. And again, the light, you can get close to skin, and it's waterproof. So you don't have to worry about using it in the water. It still works. Look at that. Like, it's fine. So you can use it in the shower, and it's really good that you can use it in the shower because then you can just clean it in there too. Love it. All right, so there's more that comes with the Manscaped though. It comes with a really cool charger with this long extension, which is good, not one of those like short ones, and you just set it right in there, and then it turns blue. It's like this cool blue light to show that it's on and working and powering on. And then it just comes with all these little cool tools and stuff. And then it, for longer hair, the attachment is there. And then there's Crop Reviver, Refreshing Ball Toner, and Crop Preserver, Anti-Chafing Ball Deodorant. So it comes with these two also. And he gets a kick out of these. He loves these. He loves these so much. And they're vegan, again, dye-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free. So just like Honey Pot, it's just all around a safe product to use. And you know what's cool is it came with these underwear. Manscaped. I love them. They're so soft, and I actually sometimes take them and wear them at night too. But it's great. They're comfortable, they're soft, and especially after he does his biz down there, they are great to put on after. So he always feels good, and when he feels good, I feel good. And it also comes in this cool little toiletry case, so I never have to worry about, you know, he just throws all the stuff in here, and I don't have to worry about organizing it or anything, because it's all him, it's all in here, and he can hang it if he needs to. So love it. Manscaped. Okay, so we have one more thing, and I'm so happy that you guys stuck through this whole list of things with me. But I get so passionate about packing and how to pack and doing things, and I'm a firm believer that sometimes if you do things one way, that doesn't mean you have to stick with that particular way. And I love finding new ways. So do us a favor, and in the comment section below, let us know any travel packing hacks that you do that helps you with travel or packing toiletry bag stuff. What do you have to have, so let us know, because there might be things I'm not thinking of, so it might take me down another rabbit hole. But okay, we're gonna talk about the last thing, and something that is really, really important is, because Superman is training and he is about to get into full-blown train mode, he is upping the ante with his workouts. And for me, it's important to stay healthy and work out because we want to have a baby. So keeping a healthy body is important, not just for us, but for us to have a healthy child in the future. And I'm 36, so it's just all around important. And I love that he works out every day, twice a day sometimes, and it definitely keeps me motivated. And one thing that's been really helping him is this hand chalk that he found from Iron American, and they have been absolutely amazing. They sent more of these to him in the mail right before we're leaving for Southeast Asia again. So the timing was perfect. But we ordered these online on Amazon, and they came super fast. It comes with a key chain, like a clip on the top too, so you can easily clip it on your bag, take it to go. It's a USA brand, so that is definitely a plus, supporting a US brand. And I'm excited for him to take this to Thailand and to train with it, and it's really helped his pull-up game and everything like that. I love it, and he loves it because it's small enough to just get thrown into his gym bag and stuff, and it doesn't take up a lot of space, and it's travel friendly. So that's always important to us. So go check out Iron American. That's it, you guys. All right, guys, if you are not following us on Instagram yet, follow us. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. I love talking to you guys. We'll catch you on the next one.